Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 24th day of April 2025. Just got done with the U.S. close live trading room where we trade the S&P 500 and NASDAQ. Today, our trade of the day comes from the S&P 500. And as we've done many times in our trades of the day, we have a beautiful um, indicator right here, which is a strong candle indicator only found at Samurai Day Trading. And they'll tell you exactly when you have a strong candle that's capable of giving you a profitable trade. In this case, we had the sellers move down to the trend indicator, push off, and now I get the first, again, we failed. I get the first strong candle going in the opposite direction. I wait for the retrace. I start off with a cover order in case the market wants to run off without doing a retrace. And as this retraces, I go ahead and move my stop down to the body of the candle. So an additional failure comes pick this up, a high probability with the trend in that direction. So really, really pretty easy trade. What I like about this particular one is the risk on this is so small. It's not a really big candle like this one here or this one here where you got to carry a lot of risk for any period of time. So this is actually a very excellent strong candle right here. So let's go ahead and run it. We'll do it at full speed until we get picked up. Actually, I think this pays pretty quickly anyway. You see that our candles aren't as big as they usually are on ES. We've had 3 weeks of volatility, mainly due to political situation. So it's calmed down a bit. We expect the next candle to be anywhere from 16 to 25, 26 ticks in length. Therefore, our ATM is going to wind up being 6 ticks for the first target, 12 ticks for the second target, and then 24 ticks for the third target. As usual, when our first target gets taken out, we de-risk the trade. So we can de-risk the trade pretty quickly. And since most traders don't like to hold risk for a long period of time, the ATM works very, very well. So we're going to go ahead and start this. We'll start it at regular speed until we get picked up, and then we'll see what happens. All right, we got a really nice push down. Brilliant. Now we got picked up on the trade. Our stop has to go where it needs to go initially. And then we just wait for our first target to be taken down. Here's the last failure point. Stop goes right there. And now we just let it run. We'll speed it up just a little, although I don't think we're going to need much. This pretty much goes pretty well. First target now, if we notice, our first target got taken out. Our stop went from underneath this double bottom here to a -5 position. So we got 6 ticks on the first target. If this comes back and takes us out, that's a break-even trade. So I'm basically sitting with my feet propped up, waiting to see if my longer targets can get hit. Boom, second target's out. 16s and 12s are done. I'm into a bit of a brick wall here, so I'm going to take the risk out of this. And boom, just that fast. 16s, 12s, and 24s ticks are hit. Boom, it took a minute not even a minute and a half. And that was worth 600 US dollars in about less than 90 seconds. So if you want to learn how to make $600 in less than 90 seconds, then come join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. Get indicators that are second to none out there in the industry. Makes it very easy to trade. And you don't have to, get a whole lot of education to be very successful at trading with the properties that you get at Samurai. So we'll look forward to seeing you all tomorrow at the next live trading room trade of the day. Fred signing off. Have a great day and God bless.